Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will solve exercise 7.3 of class 6th, and in my previous videos already 7.1 and 7.2 has been uploaded. So if you want to see, you can just check that out. Beginning with the exercise, let us see how that is. Write all the fractions. Are all these fractions equivalent? So first you have to write the fractions what they are, and then you have to write are they equivalent or not. So without wasting any further time, let us start the question. So we are going to solve first a number. Here you can see that there are two parts of the circle and one is shaded. So probably the first one in this will be 1/2. Then in the same manner we will circle them. This is 2/4. This is 3/6. And this one is 4/8. Now let us see whether they are equivalent or not. 1/2 is already solved. 2/4 can be solved and can be converted into another numbers. There are two ways of doing this. Either you cut it directly using the table of 2, or you can show the division here. So that also can be done and that also can be depicted. So we are just going to show it divisible by 2. The answer is 1/2. Here the common factor is 3. So we will divide by 3. And here is common factor 4. So we'll divide by 4. Now you see all of them are equal, all of them are same to one another. So here we will write, hence all fractions are equivalent. Let us see the B number. 12 dots are there, out of that 4 are shaded. So what will be our fraction? 4/12. Here there are 9 dots. How many of them are shaded? 3. So our fraction will be 3/9. Let us do it quickly. First one I have already written, 4/12. Okay, 4/12, can it be converted into a simpler fraction? Yes, it can be converted into a simpler fraction. What is the common factor? 4 is the common factor of both the numbers. So we will divide the number by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. Then B number, let us see quickly how many dots are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many of them are shaded? 3. Now 3 and 9, they have common factor as 3. So we will divide it by 3. 1s are 3, 3 threes are 9. Then we will go for the third one. How many dots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many of them are shaded? 2. So in numerator we will write 2. Now what is the common factor of both of them? Obviously 2. So by 2 we will divide it. 2 ones are. Then 6 divided by 2, 2 threes are. Then fourth number we will see. How many dots are there? 3. How many of them are shaded? 1. Then fifth number we will see. How many dots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Okay. How many of them are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6/15. Now there is a common factor. 3 we will take it as a common factor. 2s are and 5s are. Now we will see all of them. Are they equal? Are they equivalent? No, because this is different. So here we will write, hence it is not equivalent fraction. And this way our question is done. Now let us move to the question number 2. Here again we have to do the same thing that we have done in question number 1, right? But here we have to also match it up and see what is the matching pair of the first one to the one given over here. So both of this we are going to first write what the fraction they are representing, and then we are going to match them up. Okay, so let us begin. Second number, A number, we are going to do it over here. How many of division we can see? There are 2. Out of that, 1 is shaded, so our answer will be 1 by 2. Then B number we will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are there. Out of which how many are shaded? 4 are shaded. Then C1 we will see 1, 2, 3. There are actually 9. So we are going to shade it like 3 by 9. Then D number we will see 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 8 in total. How many of them are shaded? 2 are shaded. Then E number we will see how many of them are shaded. 3 are shaded. What is the total one? Total is 4. So in denominator total we will put how many are shaded right here? 1, 2, 3. So we are going to put 3 by 4, right? Now since we have written all of these, let us simplify them. 1 by 2 is already simplified. It cannot be simplified more. 4 by 6 can be simplified because 4 by 6 has a common factor and that common factor is 2. So let us put it. So what will be the division? 2, 2s are 4 and 2 divided by 6, how much we will get? 6 divided by 2, 3. Then 3 by 9, obviously again here we can divide both of the numerator and denominator by 3. So the answer will be 1 by 3. And again here we can divide it by 2. So let us do it. Answer will be 1 by 4. And 3 by 4 cannot be divided. So we will leave it. So that's all we have done. Now we will move to the first, second, third, fourth part. Okay, here also we have to count it very carefully because there are many boxes and many divisions given over here. So let us see the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 are total. How many of them are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are shaded. So let us put it. Then we will go for the second number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 are given in the total. How many are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will put 4 in the numerator. Let's go for the third number. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means it is total 16 boxes. And how many of them are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 are shaded. Now here we will go for this fourth number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that means 12 are total. How many of them are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Then fifth number we will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. 16 are there and how many of them are shaded? Let us also see that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 by 16, right? So we have what over here? 6 by 18 we have, 4 by 8 we have, 12 by 16 we have, 8 by 12 we have and 4 by 16 we have. Now can we convert this into simple fraction? Let us see. 6 by 18, definitely it can be converted. 6 is the common factor of 6 also and 18 also. So let us divide whole number by 6. So what will be the answer? 1 by 3. Now 4 by 8 is also having one common factor. What is the common factor over here? 4. So our answer will be 4 ones and here 4 twos are 1 by 2. 12 by 16. Also 12 by 16, it has 2 common factor. It has 4 also. So we will take the higher number. Higher number will be 4. So let us divide this number by 4. So answer will be 3 by 4. Now 8 by 12 again can be divided by 4. So the answer that we will come here, see 8 divided by 4. So 4 twos are 12 divided by 4 will be 3s are. Then 4 by 16 again can be divided by 4. See, in common factor you have to take the number which can divide both the numerator also as well as the denominator also. So 4 ones are 4 and 4 4s are 16. Now see, here also we have solved and here also we have solved. Now we are going to put the pairs. So how the pairs can be put? Very easily, very nicely we can do it and we can just find it out. See, 1 by 2 is a number. Okay. So here I will solve it for you. A number. 1 by 2 is a number. What will be the pair of a? Let us see. 1 by 2 has a has 1 by 2 and 2 number is also having 1 by 2. So the pair of a will be second number. Okay. Then 2 by 3. B represents 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 is fourth number. We will put fourth number. Then C number 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 is which one number? First number. Then D number we will see 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is which number? Fifth number. Then E number 3 by 4. 3 by 4, can we see? Yes, it is the third number. All of them are matched and all of them are paired. It was easy, right? All we have to do is just a little bit of more practice and we will be able to solve it. Let us move to question number 3 of the same exercise. Replace box in each of the following by the correct number. Now this question can be done actually in various ways. There are many methods to do it. I will be telling you some of them. So let us start with the easiest one that we can do. Okay, so I will tell you with the easiest method, then we can do according to the one method that is given in our book. This first method is actually quite very easy. Let us see. 2 by 7 equals 8 by box. Now we will transpose it. When you know you are transposing the number, you have to cross multiply them because there is equals to sign here. So 2 into box, what we will write? 2 into box equals to 8 into 7. 8 into 7. Now what you can do over here, let us see. Here box is here with 2 and here 8 into 7 is there. I will tell you to do one thing. We will put the box alone, okay, and 2 is supposed to be going this side. Now how we are going to do that, let us have a look. Here let me tell you one rule of transposing. When you are using transposing, if any number you are sending from this side to this side or from this side to this side, remember one thing, plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, multiplication becomes division and division becomes multiplication. Okay, so now here 2 is in multiplication, so when it will go here, this side, here it will become division. Okay, so let us do it. 8 into 7 is already there, then 2 is here, so 2 will be pushed over here, that will be in the denominator side as a division. Fine. Now what I'm going to do over here, I'm just going to cancel the numbers using the common factor. Now 2 can be divided by, 2 can divide this 8 number, but it cannot divide the 7th number. So what we will do, we will use the table 2 as a common factor and both these numbers can be cancelled. Okay, so we will do it. 2 ones are, then here 2 4s are. How much we got? 4 into 7. Now in this box we will put over here what is left, 4 into 7. 4 into 7 means 7 4s are 28. Our answer is done. Our answer is got. So in this way we can solve this question, and there are other ways of doing these questions also that we can have a look, but this is the easiest method that I have discovered. This is very easy. It consumes very less time. It does not bother you that much. There are many ways. However, there are many other methods in the NCERT as well. Like if you will go to example and you will see how you can solve this question. So there will be like OR. Okay, from OR how we are going to do this question, let us see. That is given in your example. I will give you this question. Here what they do is they break the numbers, and when they break the numbers, they easily multiply it, they easily do it. It is also based on transposing only. So I'm going to show you how to do this method, and then this way you can solve this question. So there are two ways. First is this method, another one is the method according to our book. So that also I will explain you. 2 by 7, you can go for only one method, okay? Any one way you can use, either this method, if it is easy for you, you can go for this one, or you can go according to the method of the book. 8 by box, both are correct. Okay, both are correct. So again we will do the transposing. 2 into box equals to 8 into 7. Now 8 has to be splitted. How I am going to split 8, let us see. Now this 8 can be written as 2 into 4. Because 2 is here, I need 2 here also. So 2 into 4, we have to break it in such a way that the same number comes here. Then what is left? 7 is left. Okay, now in this box 2 is here also, 2 is here also. So we will not put it because it will be cancelled according to the rule of transposing. So we will not put it. Now this 2 and 2 are cancelled. So what is left? Obviously 4 and 7 are left. So our answer here will be 4 into 7. So answer comes here as 7 4s are 28. Both methods are correct. Both methods are good. In both ways you can break it and you can solve it further. There is no problem with any of the methods. Both are correct. Let us move to the question number B. Let us see. 5 by 8. I will write the question. 5 by 8 equals to 10 by box. Okay. So 5 upon 8 is equals to 10 upon box. Again we will use the rules of transposing. 5 into box we will do, and here we will do 10 into 8, right? In this way also you can do it. This both of the methods are correct. Again I will show you to do it by both of the methods. First I will do it with the easiest method. Box will be left here. 5 is in multiplication, so it will go in this side, so it will divide 10 into 8 upon 5. 5 will come in division. We will cancel. 5 ones are 5 twos are. What is left? 2 into 8. So box is equals to 2 into 8. So our answer is 2 8s are 16. Okay. So in this way we can solve our questions. Now according to the book method also, if you want to do that also we can do. 5 by 8 is equals to 10 by box. So again 5 into box is equals to 10 into 8. Now here 5 is also there. I want 5 here also. So I will break 10. Okay, in this way. 5 into 2. Understood? And 8 is also here, so let it be. Then this we will take it down. 5 into box. Now 5 and 5 are both are in similar places, so it will cancel. What is left? 2 into 8. So a box answer will be 2 into 8. So the answer will be 16. Okay, now let us move to question number C, is 3 by 5 into box by 20. 3 by 5 is equals to box by 20. Now we are going to again do the cross multiplication. 3 into 20. 3 into 20 is equals to 5 into box. 3 into 20, 5 into box. Now 5 will be transferred over here. 3 into 20 upon 5 is equals to box. Now let me cancel it. 5 ones are 5, 4s are 4 3s are 12. 12 is equals to box. Or another method according to the book we will do 3 by 5 is equals to box by 20. Okay, let me tell you, whatever you feel is easy that you do. If this method is easy, stop here. Okay, I am doing it for the one people who are just comfortable in this method. So there is no problem. Both of the methods are correct. Okay. 3 into 20, again we will write 5 into box. Here we will write. Now 5 I want here. So 20 I will break in the terms of 5. So how can I write it? 5 into 4 I can write it. 5 4 is 20. Then this 3 will come here as usual. Then 5 into box. Now this 5 and this 5 are here. What is left? Obviously 3 and 4. So we will write 3 into 4 is equals to box. 4 3s are 12 is equals to box. Isn't it? So easy method. Now D number we will do. 45 by 60 is equals to 15 by box. Let us cross multiply it quickly. 45 into box is equals to 15 into 60. Now box is equals to 45 is in multiplication, so it will go downside. When you will put it here, it will become division. So 15 into 60 upon 45 with the table of 15 I can cancel it. 15 ones are 15 threes are. Then box is equals to 60 upon 3. Now let us divide it by 3. 3 ones are 3 20s are. So box will be 20. Easy, is not it? So this questions are basically easy. There is nothing hard in them. Or another method, let me tell you. 45 by 60 is equals to 15 by box. Now do the same thing. We are going to do 45 into box is equals to 15 into 60. Now 15 is here. I am going to split 45 with 15 as a factor. So how can I do it? 15 into 3 I can write. 15 3s are 45 obviously. Then here box is equals to 15 into 16. Now 15 and 15 both are there. Now what is given over here? 3 and 60 is also given over here. So how we are going to do it? Just write the remaining numbers. We will write it. 3 into box is equals to 60. Box is equals to 60 upon 3. Let us cancel it. Answer is again 20. Let us move to the last question. E number 18 by 24 is equals to box by 4. Multiply them up. 18 into 4 is equals to 24 into box. We have just cross multiplied them. Now let us see what we will do. 18 into 4. Now 24 is in multiplication. It will come under division. Let us divide it. So answer is, let me take 4 as a divisible factor. 4 ones are 4 six are. Okay, so what came? 18 upon 6 is equals to box. Now with 6 table I am going to cancel it. 6 ones are 6 threes are. Then answer is 3 equals to box. Now for other method, those who understand from the different method, I will solve it for you like this. 18 by 24 is equals to box by 4. So let us do it. 18 into 4 is equals to 24 into box. Now I have to break this 24 in such a way that 4 can come as a factor. So how can I do it? 4 into 6 I can write. 4 6 are 24, correct na? Okay. Then we will do 18 into 4. Now let us do it. 4 and 4 are common. They will cancel out each other. What is left? 18 and 6 is left. So we will write 18 is equals to 6 into box. Now this 6 is in what? This 6 is in multiplication. So it will go here in division. Let us do it. 1s are 3s are. Answer is 3 equals to box. And yes, we are done with this exercise as well. The question of this exercise is done. It is accomplished. Let us move to question number 4. Find the equivalent fraction of 3 by 5 having denominator as 20. Okay. So here we will write fraction is 3 by 5. We need denominator. We need denominator, that is 20. Now in order to get 20 here in the denominator, how our fraction will look, let us also write it. 3 by 5 we have to write in such a way that 20 should be the denominator. Okay. Now what we will do over here, it is obvious that here to get 20 as a denominator we need to multiply, then only we will get. So let us read the table of 5. 5 1s are 2s are 3s are 4s are 20. So here we have to multiply 4 with the denominator and with the numerator as well. Okay, so here we will write, we will multiply both the numerator and denominator by 4 to get the required fraction. Let us complete it. 3 4s are 12. Answer is 12 by 20. Okay. Now let us move to another question, B, numerator. Now in B we have to get numerator as 9. So again we will write fraction is 3 by 5. We need numerator as 9. Now we will put our solution in this way. 3 by 5, here in numerator it will be 9, and in order to get 9 what we have to do, obviously we have to multiply. So we have to multiply with the table of 3. 3 1s are 2s are 3s are. 3 will be multiplied here and here also, and then 5 6s are 15. This is the answer. So here we will write, we will multiply both the numerator and denominator by 3 to get the required fraction. Answer is 9 by 15. Let us move to the third question. denominator as 30. How much we need? Denominator as 30. Okay, so fraction again we will write. We have this fraction 3 by 5. We need denominator how much? 30. Let us solve it. Denominator should be 30. So again with the table of 5 we have to reach to 30. 5 1s are 2s are 3s are 4s are 5s are 6s are. So 6 will be multiplied here also and here also. So our fraction we got here 18 by 30. So here again we will write the statement. We will multiply both the numerator and denominator by 6 to get the required fraction, and our answer is 18 by 30. Let us move to the last question. D, numerator 27. Quickly I will write it. Three by 5 should be written in such a manner that numerator should be 27. Now 3 table you have to read in such a way that 27 will come. 3 8s are 3 9s are 9 here also, 9 here also. So here at the bottom we will write, we will multiply both the numerator and denominator by 9 to get the required fraction. 9 5s are 45, completed. So answer is 27 by 45. Question is done. In the same way we have the fifth question also. Find the equivalent fraction of 36 by 48 with numerator 9. Very easy question. So we will write fraction is 36 by 48. Now we need a number we are going to solve. We need numerator equals to 9. Now we have to do it. Let us arrange it. 36 by 48 should be written in such a manner that numerator should be 9. Okay, now this 36 is the greater number. You cannot multiply. Obviously, you cannot multiply. So there has to be some number which when divided will give you the answer 9. Okay, so for doing this, let me give you a little trick. Right? How we are going to do it? Instead of going for multiplication, you take this number and divide it. We have to divide it. So in the rough column, we will divide 36 by 9. We already know answer will come what? 4. So our answer will be 4. So let us divide the numbers by 4 at the numerator also and in the denominator also. And then our answer will be completed. Now 48 you have to divide by 4. Divide it. 4 1s are, then 8 comes here, then 4 2s are 8, right? So our answer is here in the denominator 12. So the fraction and the statement, this is rough work, okay? Our statement will be, we will divide the numerator and denominator by 4 to get the required fraction, and our answer is 9 by 12. Okay, when there is bigger number, okay students, that time you cannot multiply, because here if you will multiply you will get big number greater than 9 obviously, so we cannot do it. We have to divide over here. When you are dividing, then only you will get the answer, and to divide us you have to take this number and you have to divide it up. Okay, now quickly let us move to the another question that we have, that is the denominator should be 4. Again we will do it. What is the fraction we will write? The fraction that we are given is 36 by 48 and denominator is 4. So we need denominator. How much it is given? 4. Let us arrange it. 36 by 48, denominator here should be 4. Now 48 and 4, let us divide 48 with 4. Obviously we have done it, so again I will do it quickly for you. 12. So we are going to use what? We are going to use 12 as the common number to divide the numerator also and divide the denominator also. Now 12 table you will read, 12 ones are 12 twos are 12 threes. The answer is 3 by 4. So here statement you will write, we will divide both the numerator and denominator by 12 to get the required fraction. Answer is, how much answer we got? Let us see. 3 by 4. Answer is 3 by 4. Okay. So in this way our fifth question is done. Let us move to the sixth question. The question says, check whether the given fractions are equivalent. We have to simplify these fractions and we have to see whether they are equivalent or not. So 5 by 9 divided and 30 by 54. So 5 by 9 is obviously in its simplest form. We are not going to touch it. We are not going to do anything with it. We will go with the second fraction that is given to us and see. So 30 by 54. Now this can be converted into simple form. It is obvious. We can convert it. So we have to see a common factor which can divide 30 also and 54 also. Okay. So 2 can divide it. Yes. 3 can divide it. Yes. 4. 5. 6. Yes. 6 can divide this thing. So we are going to divide this number by 6. So 6 table we are going to read. It will go 5 times. 6 5 is 30 and 6 9s are obviously 54. So 5 by 9, 5 by 9 are they equal? Yes, obviously they are equal. So here you will write, hence the given fractions are equivalent. Then see the B number. 3 by 10 is given and 12 by 50 is given to us. Now 3 by 10 we cannot solve. 12 by 50 we can solve. Let us see what can be the fraction. It can go by 2, cannot go by 3, cannot go by 4, or both of them. We need one number that can divide both of it, 12 also and 50 also, right? 5 also cannot do it, then 6 also cannot divide both of them. So we will divide using 2. Let us do it. Now this cannot be divided further. So we can say that these are not equivalent fractions. So here we will write, hence it is not equivalent. C number, let us see, 7 by 13 and 5 by 11. Both of them are in simple form. They cannot be converted. Simply we will write, it is not equivalent. 7 by 3, 5 by 11, both of them are there, so it is not equivalent. We will just write it and that's all, that's done. Let us move to question number 7. Reduce the following fraction to simplest form. A number 48 by 60 is given. There are two methods given in the book for us to solve this question. I will be telling you both of them, and whatever is easy we are going to continue with that. So 48 by 60, let us first see whether this number can be divided by 2 or not. So these two numbers can be obviously divided by 2. So first we will divide both of this number, the numerator and denominator, by 2. So we will write, we will divide the fraction by 2. 48 by 60 divided by 2 divided by 2. Sorry, it is 2. Answer will be 24 by 30. Now this 24 by 30 can also be further divided. So we will write it 24 by 30 divided by 2 divided by 2. Answer will be 12 by 15. Now this 12 by 15 can be divided by 3. So we will write, we will divide the fraction by 3. 12 by 15 divided by 3 divided by 3. So it will be 4 by 5. Okay. So our answer is 4 by 5. Now 4 by 5 cannot be solved further. So our answer is 4 by 5. Okay. Now there is another method that I am going to tell you that you will love actually. Or 48 by 60 is given to you. We will take out the HCF of both the numbers. Okay. So we will take out the HCF of 48 and 60. Let us do it. 48 and 60. Okay, now let us pick the common factors among them. I will write it quickly. Highest common factor. The highest common factor over here is yes, SCF is 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Yes, now we will divide with this number. You have to take out the HCF and then you have to use this number and directly divide it. Very soon your answer will come. Let us see. So here you will write, we will divide the fraction by 12. 48 by 60 is divided by 12 divided by 12. Now you know what will be the answer. 12 table you will read it by 12 4s are 48 and 12 5s are 60. Your answer will be 4 by 5. Let us go for question number 8. Ramesh had 20 pencils, Shilu had 50 pencils, and Jamal had 80 pencils. After 4 months, Ramesh used up 10 pencils, Shilu used up 25 pencils, and Jamal used up 40 pencils. What fraction did each use up? Check if each has used up an equal fraction of her or his pencil. Now there are 3 students given over here, so we will solve each of them individually. Like Ramesh had 20 pencils, and how much he has used? 10 pencil. Shilu had 50 pencils, how much she has used? 25 pencil. Jamal had 80 pencils, how much he has used? 40 pencil. So the first one, very quickly I have just written for you. Ramesh had pencils 20, he has used 10. So fraction will be 10 by 20. Now we have to convert this thing into the simplest form, because we have to check whether they are equal or not. So 10 and 20, what is the common factor over here? Obviously 10. So we will divide the given fraction by 10. We will divide the fraction by 10 divided 10 by 20 divided by 10 in the numerator as well as in the denominator. So it will be 10 1s are 10 and 10 2s are 20, 1 by 2. So our answer is 1 by 2. Now who is the next student? Shilu. How many pencils she has got in total? 50. So we will write Shilu had pencils equals to 50. Then we will write she used pencils equals to, how many she has used? See in the question, 25. So our fraction will be 25 by 50. Now what is the common factor of both the numerator and the denominator? Obviously 25. So we will write, we will divide the fraction by 25. 25 by 50, we are just dividing it by 25 in the numerator and denominator. 25 1s are 25 divided 25 2s are 50, 1 by 2. Then who is the next student? Jamal. Jamal had pencils. How many he got? Let us see in the question. 80. He used pencils 40. Fraction 40 upon 80. Now what is the common factor? 40. So 40 can divide both of them. So we will divide the fraction by 40. 40 by 80. Dividing both the numerator and denominator by 8. 40 1s are 40. 40 2s are 80. So our answer here, see, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. All three are equal. So we will write, hence all 3 students have used up equal fraction. Let us move to question number 9. Match the equivalent fractions and write 2 more for each. Now here you have to solve this question just like you have solved the first and second question of the exercise. There you had to just write from the figure that was made, but now here the numbers are given. So first we have to convert these numbers into simplest form and then we have to match it. Let us do it. What is the A number given? 250 by 400. Now 0 0 you can directly cancel it. There is no problem with that. 0 0 we will cancel. So now what will be left? 25 by 40. Now 25 and 40 can be divided by 5. Let us divide them. 5 5 is a 5 8 is a. Got it. Then we will go for the second number. Second number is 180 upon 200. If you want to do it in a detailed manner, that also you can do, but however we are going to do match the column, so I am doing it quickly. 0 0 will be cancelled. Again what will be left? 18 by 20. So 18 by 20 we are going to divide it, by which we can divide. With 2 it can be gone. Yes, by 2 we can divide it. By 3 cannot go. So 2 9s are and 2 10s are. Then third number is 660 upon 990. 0 0 cancel. 66 upon 99. It can be divided by 11. Let us divide it. 11 6 are 11 9s are. Now 6 by 9 can again be divided. So let us divide this number by 3. 2s are 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. Now fourth number we will see. Fourth is 180 upon 360. 0 0 is cancelled. 18 by 36 is left. Now 18 by 36 can be divided by 18 only. So 18 ones are, 18 twos are. Then fifth number we will see. Fifth number is 220 divided by 550. 0 0 they are again cancelled. We have 22 by 55. We're just going to divide this thing up by 11. So it's 2 by 5. Now we have simplified this side. Now we will write A, B, C, D and we will match it up. A number is 2 by 3. B number is 2 by 5. C number over here is 1 by 2 and D number is 5 by 8 and E number is 9 by 10. Now let us match this up. 5 by 8 first number is 5 by 8 is D number as well. So the matching for first will be D. Then second number we will see 9 by 10. So it will be E because E is also 9 by 10. Then third number is simplified 2 times. What is the answer? 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is A number. So we will write here A. Then fourth number we will see 1 by 2. C is also 1 by 2. So answer is C number. Then fifth 2 by 5. Can we see 2 by 5? Yes, B number. So answer is B number. So answer is first D, second E, third A, fourth C and fifth B.